The FTT is a variation on the reverse HP plug, but it's designed specifically to allow you to not just perform a hoop hydro test, but to also elongate the weld. And what we're using effectively is a reverse HP plug to isolate the line. And then we are using a valve stem that floats a blind flange on and bolts up to the front of the flange. So what this allows us to do is lock the tool in place downstream of the weld, perform a hydro test in between that is both expanding the weld radially, but it's also stretching the weld axially. And so we have certain clients whose specification requires this type of hydro test. And so the flange tension tester is our answer for those clients who want both a hoop hydro test as well as an axial stretch of the weld as part of their specification. This is the FTT tester.